Hey guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you a handbag review. So in case you guys are looking for a handbag, then definitely this review will help you. So this one is Tory Burch Chevron handbag. So this one is a gift from my husband. He ordered this one for me. So I think he ordered this one from Bloomingdale. I don't know where the store is. I have never been to Bloomingdale. So neat. So the packaging is pretty much nice, not that bad. And this is the handbag. Yeah, this is. Yeah, it's like a really nice handbag. Because I was looking for a really small handbag, so that's why he ordered this one for me. This one is like really nice and cute, like a wallet size handbag, like a really good wallet, and the chains are like a really good quality, and the leather is like really soft. I have like similar kind of this is lambskin leather. I have also similar kind of lambskin from Microcore, but a little bit bigger size. This one I think for 8 inches of length, 8.4 inches, and this one is 4.8, and the width is 1.6 inches. And here is the Tory logo and which twisting turn design, which is like a really cool. And really right, and the hardware is like a pretty good quality. It's like really nice quality. And in the inside you can see in the inside you can see pretty good quality. And here is a couple of like 6 pockets. 6 slip-on pockets and one chain here. Really Tory logo. And this one has also bigger size, but I was looking at a really small size because I don't need any bigger size. So he ordered this smaller one. But this is. But if you need the bigger size, this design has also, I will say, like a bigger size also. And back portion there is all black design. This one is lambskin, and the metal one. This one is also lambskin. You can see the quality. Yeah, I think both are like. This handbag is almost like 2-3, more than 2 years, but the quality is still nice. I mean, not that bad. You can see. You can see the review of this handbag in my previous video. But this one is Microcore, and back portion is like a little bit ripped up, but it's like almost like more than 2-3 years, and I have used a couple of times. But this lambskin leather, I know like you have to take care of this leather like very carefully, and this needs more care. So let's see on the inside. You can see. It's not like much room. It's like a very small handbag, so you cannot fit like much of stuff. But we can see this is like a really soft quilted leather. This looks really nice. If I fit my stuff, I can put one wallet. And I cannot carry any case because the handbag is already full, so I can fit one sunglasses, which is like really essential. This one is the smallest sunglasses. I have other sunglasses cases as really big, but this is the small size. But yeah, only one sunglasses and one like pretty much wallet. If you don't carry a wallet, you can carry one card, that's all. And here you can put like some lipsticks or lip balm or something like that. That's all. I think that's the thing you can carry. and for the hand, still the bag is almost filled. So this is like a wallet, not a handbag. You cannot say like yes, a big handbag. Yeah, this is how this one. If my phone, I cannot fit my phone here because my phone size is like bigger. So here I need to store my phone. Oh, here the phone still I cannot. Yeah, I don't think I should skip the wallet and carry the handbag directly, and the phone is directly fit here. This phone is like a little bit bigger. Yeah, the phone fits completely, and here the here you can carry your cards because there are like 6 slots, so you can carry your cards and some cash probably here, or any important stuff you can put it in the zipper. Yeah, that's all. Now it's perfect. Yeah, only this is the chain quality, and the hardware is like a really great quality. I don't have any complaint. And yeah, this is the smaller size because I need the smaller one. That's why I have told my husband to order the smaller one. But if you need the bigger size, definitely you can try the bigger one because they have the bigger size also. Yeah, but pretty much the bigger one also the same design, everything is similar, but like bigger size. The quality is, yeah, good. I don't think anything. This is Tory and this is Michael Kors. I don't see really that much difference with the quality. Both are like lambskin leather. Both feels soft to my hand, so I cannot really say which one is like great leather. I mean, yeah, both are like, both feel soft to my hand. So, and both the brands I really like. So I don't know which one is like a good quality leather. Both look similar, but and also this design has also the other really pebble leather design also. If you don't like lambskin leather, you can choose the pebble leather because I have seen that they have pebble leather design also. And here in the back portion also they have like a little bit flap, so you can put some cards or anything you want to store, you can store here. And here in this microphone you can use it like a handbag, or you can use it like a sling bag, but here you don't have any option. You can use it only crossbody bag, but here in this bag I have this option which this bag doesn't have. Yeah, otherwise bag looks nice. I don't have any complaint or anything. Yeah, this is like a really gorgeous handbag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.